Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. The markets are continuing the uptrend and are making higher highs and higher lows after this 4-hour bull flag broke up, and I think nothing's gonna stop the market overall, this bull market, unless the labor market softens. So we saw last week that the unemployment rate came cooler than expected, 4.1%, and actually markets rallied on that news as well. So in my opinion, unless this softens, we don't see any kind of huge reversal in the markets, and we can simply make new all-time highs again and again. So technically we are now above the previous all-time high. Possibly we can have a retest here and have some consolidation, especially considering that this week, let me open this week's calendar. So nothing, pretty much nothing is expected. So unless FOMC minutes gave us some kind of news, I think this is going to be pretty much a consolidation week. I don't expect too much of a move, and yeah, we will see what's going to happen next. But yeah, for now, I think we are in an uptrend. 4-hour chart is bullish, higher highs, higher lows. 1-hour chart is bullish as well. So you saw we took this liquidity and make a new all-time high, and if this is the new range from these lows to the new all-time high to 23,100, there is a possibility we can have some consolidation around 618 here and literally go and take make another all-time high. So I don't see any reason, unless there is some tariff news and speculations. Yeah. So currently the sell side is this level, and the major sell side is this liquidity right here. And the buy side, of course, is easier to take, in my opinion. Especially we had this minus 0.7% downside when the markets, US markets, were actually closed. So for the July the 4th. So I will expect first to take this liquidity, even if we are hitting to the downside. 15 minutes bullish, as I said. Yeah, previous resistance on the sell side. We'll see what will bring the Sunday open. Considering the IG open, it's gonna be flat open. But yeah, we will see. I would love to see the Bitcoin chart. So Bitcoin is currently consolidating at all-time high. You can see we had we had daily compression as well. So currently, and there is a chance, as I said before, we make another leg up to 120, 125, even 130, but I think we are very close to the cycle top for Bitcoin. And on the 3-day chart, yeah, we are seeing some kind of divergence, bearish divergence on the 3-day chart as well. Last time it was very close to the top. But yeah, overall, this 12 hours inversion level, I think, is already broken. And yeah, I think we are just ranging these levels. Ethereum is very interesting to me. As I said before, this is the bull market support band. We are reclaiming the bull market support band, but of course we are at this range. If you mark this level from the 28.87 to 21.20, we are at the mid-range of this level. Is there a possibility we can have some small correction before another leg up? Yes, but I think my bias is towards upside. And yeah, as I said before, target until September is the yearly open, at least, and possibly to touch the 4,000 level as well. So very bullish for me. Weekly chart, very bullish. So weekly fair value gap hit, 200 EMA reclaimed as well on the weekly chart. But of course, yeah, consolidation. And the thing is, the longer it takes the consolidation, I think the bigger the explosion will be to the upside. And I think that is very good for the bulls. As I said, a lot of times Ethereum is not done for this cycle. And I think after Bitcoin tops, all the money will flow into Ethereum. And my speculation is up to from 7 to 9,000 for the cycle top for this. But of course, we are trading what we see. That's a long-term speculation. I mean, we will absolutely move forward with the charts only, with the charts. So yeah, the daily chart as well, 200 EMA reclaimed, and some kind of ranging, and sooner or later to the upside to yearly open, that's for sure. So for the other altcoins, I don't want to have anything because altcoins are lagging too much at this cycle. Very different cycle, of course. The monetary policy is restrictive, and of course, yeah, this is a different cycle, and I will look only on Bitcoin and maximum Ethereum, nothing else for now. Despite the fact I have in my watch list Injective, Ondo, Rune, maybe Solana as well, but yeah, main speculation, main targets are with Ethereum and Bitcoin. And of course, lastly, let's have a look on the volatility chart. Volatility is getting to levels which has huge support. I mean, the 15 level is very, very important. You can see how many times we bounce from here. But of course, volatility is still compressed, despite the fact we have a volume imbalance around 20 level from 19 to 20 level. I think we can close this volume imbalance and make another leg down. Yeah, so these gaps are closed, except this gap 1982, everything is closed to the upside. Then we have gaps to the downside, 14.84, and even below as well. So very, very bullish bull market stuff. So yeah, I don't think there's anything concerning as of now. Yeah, bull market things. And if you watch the headlines are still very negative, and the fear is in the market still. But yeah, just the bull market stuff. Let's see what's gonna happen at Sunday Open. And as I said, I don't expect too much of a movement for this week because there is no economic events. But of course, markets will tell. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll try to update on Monday or on Wednesday as well. Have a good one. Bye.